today's video, we'll be learning how to set up a website on Cloudflare. If you are looking to add an extra layer of protection to your website and you want to enhance the speed of your website, it is very important to use a CDN provider, a content delivery network provider like Cloudflare. And they also enhance the speed and boost the overall performance of website. Of course, you should bother so much about securing your online business, securing your website from compromise, from hackers, and you as well want to make your website as fast as possible. So if all of these things are within your concern, I'll be showing you how you can use the Cloudflare website to enhance and boost the overall performance of your website. So guys, I'm now inside of my Cloudflare account. Before we proceed, you want to make sure that you have administrative access to your domain name, because we'll be needing that to add your website to Cloudflare. So in the light of this, I'll just proceed to show you how you can add a domain name to your Cloudflare account. On the Cloudflare website, you can just go right and click on the sign up page, then input your email and other details that will be requested, then click on next and then proceed with the registration process. So as soon as you register, as soon as you get your login details from Cloudflare, the next thing for you is to log in into your account. So I'm already logged into my own account right here. Then I'll proceed to show you how to add a website. So there are two options for us to add a new website. As you can see, we have this blue button right here that says add a site, and we have this one, add site. So we just click on any one, which will be fine. So we'll just click on this and say add a site. Then the next thing is to input the name of the website that we'd like to add. For me, I'll be adding a website from one of my client website right here, just to show you guys how things work. So I'll just go right ahead and paste that link inside of the space. So guys, make sure that you don't put www or any of that or https. Just put the domain name itself and then you'll be good to go. So next we click on add site. The next thing is for us to select a plan on Cloudflare. We have the pro account, we have the business account, and we also have the enterprise account. You see, all of this account comes with a lot of features that you stand to gain. But if your website is pretty new, if your website is, or probably your blog is new, you don't have much money to invest into web security now, you can just go right ahead and click on the free version. As you can see, even with the free version, you still get DDoS attack mitigation, global content delivery network, and you still get support via email, which is cool enough for you. In fact, there's still a couple of extra features that you can use for free on Cloudflare to enhance the overall performance of your website. But basically in this video, I just like to show you how to set up your domain on Cloudflare. In the next video, we'll look at how to harness some of this Cloudflare feature on your website. So I'll just go right and click on this one, free, then click on continue. Okay, so now Cloudflare is scanning our domain name and is trying to get all of the values right for us. This might just take a little bit of time, so we need to wait for it patiently. And here it is. So now these are the values of our domain name, and it was gotten automatically by Cloudflare. Cloudflare has tried to get all of the details correctly for you. So on your hand, all you need to do is just click on continue. So the next thing for us is to change our name servers. Basically here we are replacing the name servers from our domain name registrar. As you can see on my domain name registrar, there are three name server values, which is the ns1, cloudon.com, ns2, ns3. So we'll be replacing all three of these with these two Cloudflare name servers that we have right in front of us, with this one and then this one. So first, I might just like to copy them out. I'll click to copy, then come to a notepad here, paste that right in. Then we also click this one, then also paste that right in. So the next thing for us is to go to our domain registrar client area, then log into your personal area to find your domain management interface. So as soon as you logged in, just like I have mine right here and I'm logged in, this is the particular domain that I want to add to Cloudflare. So we just go right ahead, scroll down, and here you can see change the name servers your domain points to. So guys, this is not a difficult thing. Across providers, these things are usually almost the same, so you shouldn't have any problem trying to edit your name server once you have access to your domain registrar account. So just click on change the name servers to your domain, and as you can see right in front of us, we have the 3 name servers right here. We'll be changing those to the values that were given in the first place from Cloudflare. So we have 3 name servers, but Cloudflare only gave us 2, so we did not worry about that. All we have to do is just delete this one, then delete all 3. Then we now supply the 2 that we are given by Cloudflare. So the first one is joan.ns.cloudflare.com. I'll copy that and paste it right in. Then go for the second one as well, which is lewis.ns.cloudflare.com. Then I'll also copy that right in, and then I'll click on change name servers. Changes has been saved successfully. So the next thing is to now proceed again to our Cloudflare setup. Then we want to tell Cloudflare that we've replaced the name servers with Cloudflare name servers. So we just click on done, check name servers. So from here you can then go ahead and improve the security of your website, optimize the performance of your website, and we just click on each of these to see the values inside of them. So in this first one, you have HTTPS rewrite. Automatic HTTPS rewrites help fix missed content by changing HTTP to HTTPS for all resources or links on your website that can be served with HTTPS. So we'll just go right ahead and click on save. Then the next one is optimize performance. So guys, you can also have your website compressed in the best possible way without having to use an extra plugin or a third-party plugin. Basically, Cloudflare will reduce the file size of your source code on your website and make sure that your website is optimized for speed. So we'll just click on save. So this is another function that allows you to speed up page load times for your visitors' HTTPS traffic by applying broadly compression. You can click on save as well. Then we'll click on finish. So guys, that's how to set up Cloudflare on your website. The process is pretty straightforward. If you have any further concerns, you can just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll try as much as possible to answer you. I hope you find value watching this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you.